Right, last time I had the most amazing chicken wings was with the incredible Sean Evans. And thankfully, 75 million of you tuned in to watch that amazing program. So thank you. So I'm going to show you how to perfect the most amazing wing. This time I'm going to take it up a notch and make those wings incredibly delicious. So, beautiful wings, make sure they're full of flesh. Sometimes you get a little bit chef you want with a presentation bone, but they need seasoning, okay? So in here, I've got a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and nicely dust those wings, okay? Now, from there, let's get a bit of heat. Nice spoon of beautiful smoked paprika, okay? Now, what does that do? That literally just starts to give these wings a lovely coat. And be generous, okay? Give that a nice mix, the salt, the garlic powder, and that amazing smoked paprika. That smokiness gives them this sort of richness, but without being too spicy. Now, from there, once they're beautifully mixed, wash my hands. Now, once it's all nicely mixed in, just do another light dusting there as well, just on top. Garlic powder and the salt over there. Get a pan, nice hot pan, bring it up to temp, a little tablespoon of oil. Literally in with your wings. Now, at this point we need to sear them, okay? And get butter. Secret here is give them a really nice sear, okay? Bit of butter, cool them down, that gets it really nice and golden brown, and just roll them around quickly. Now, you can see what's happening to the wings. Got that really nice, dark, caramelized take, those spices. The butter adds the flavor, a little bit more richness, helps to cool down the wings. Beautiful. So this bit here with the oil and the butter will have a really nice seasoning. Look. So what happens now is that the actual flesh starts to move down the bone and it almost becomes like a little lollipop, which is great for picking up. Don't worry about that flesh and that skin sliding down. Now, clearly we've got a great sear. From there, one more little toss and a nice seasoning of black pepper. Open up the top of the pepper mill and get that nice large cracked pepper in there. I love sauteing chicken wings when they're sort of nice and hot. They take the pepper so much easier as opposed to putting it on at the beginning. Look, beautiful. Now, once we've seared in all that beautiful spice and those wings have been dredged with the paprika, the garlic powder, the salt, okay? As that starts to froth, it tells you it's time for the oven. 375 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. That smell is incredible. Now, have a look at them. So, this is where the magic starts. You can see the actual skin and flesh that's sort of slid down the bone, and you can tell they're cooked. They've obviously got, but most importantly, the bone is nice and clean. Now, from there, just in. Now, to glaze them, first of all, take a spoon and just take a large tablespoon of that beautiful juice. From there, get your hot sauce, give it a really good shake. As you know, it settles in the bottle. Get a really good shake, and then just gently drip that over there. But how do we get them nice and glossy? How do we put that nice little glaze on there? Get a nice knob of butter and literally put the butter in there. Your tongs, and then literally one more little tablespoon over. Now, give them a really nice mix. Now what's happening now is the butter's melting, okay? And they get really nice and glazed. Look, beautiful. Mix that up. Now you don't want too much hot sauce in there because you always go back for seconds, but the secret is to beautifully mix them up. And look, butter beautifully melts, gives that a really nice, beautiful glaze. And watch. Get the wings in.